How does chemotherapy treat testicular germ cell tumors? Imagine a treatment that targets cancer cells by damaging their very blueprint, forcing them to die and making way for healing. That's exactly what chemotherapy does for testicular germ cell tumors. These tumors, which include types like seminomas and non-seminomas, are highly responsive to this approach. The main drugs used are based on a chemical called cisplatin, which is very effective at attacking cancer cells. When administered, cisplatin enters the tumor cells and forms crosslinks in their DNA. These crosslinks are like roadblocks that stop the DNA from copying itself or making new proteins, which are essential for cell survival and division. This damage activates the cell's internal alarm system, especially involving proteins like p53, which tell the cell to undergo apoptosis or programmed cell death. Because testicular germ cell tumors have a strong tendency to undergo apoptosis when their DNA is damaged, chemotherapy often results in the destruction of these cancer cells. Chemotherapy is usually given in combination with other drugs, such as bleomycin and etoposide, in regimens like BEP or EP. These combinations are standard treatments and have led to very high cure rates, even for tumors that have spread beyond the testicles. The reason these treatments work so well is that testicular germ cell tumors are particularly sensitive to DNA damage. They have defective DNA repair mechanisms, which means they cannot fix the damage caused by cisplatin. This makes the cancer cells more likely to die when exposed to chemotherapy. However, not all tumors respond perfectly. Some can develop resistance over time. This can happen through changes in the tumor cells that affect how they respond to DNA damage, such as alterations in proteins involved in apoptosis or repair pathways. Researchers are actively studying these resistance mechanisms to find ways to improve treatment outcomes. In some cases, if the cancer comes back or does not respond to initial therapy, doctors may use higher doses of chemotherapy combined with stem cell support to help the body recover from the intense treatment. In clinical practice, chemotherapy is often part of a broader treatment plan that may include surgery or radiation, depending on the tumor's stage and type. The goal is to eliminate the cancer completely while minimizing side effects. Thanks to these advances, testicular cancer has become one of the most curable solid tumors. Still, ongoing research aims to better understand resistance and improve therapies for resistant cases. It's important to remember that every patient is different and treatment plans are tailored to individual needs. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and care.